How to buy flow crypto on Binance website. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy flow crypto on Binance in easy fast way. So first thing we do, we go to binance.com and this is the home page. Now you log into your account or make an account just from here, then go to markets from here and go down, search for flow, and here is it. If you didn't find it here, just go to the search bar and write flow and you will find it. Click on it like this and wait a few seconds. It will take you to this trading page. Now choose the amount of flow that you want to buy, for example 50, and make sure this option here on buy not sell. Then you will find the buy now option here if you are registered or logged into your account. Click on it and everything will be done. That's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.